Hello and welcome to Interacta, a Unity framework designed to enhance player interactions in game environments. Interacting with small objects can be tedious, especially on phones or consoles. Interacta aims to solve this issue by allowing players to select and interact with objects by simply looking in their general direction. Interacta also features a dynamic pop-up system, informing players about what action can be made with the interactable. Unreachable objects behind walls or other geometry are automatically filtered out by Interacta's occlusion system. Customization options are available directly in the Unity inspector. You can adjust interaction layers, occlusion settings, and other parameters to fit your specific game requirements. Interacta is designed to integrate seamlessly with third-party player controllers. Its foundation of generic abstract classes makes integration easier and less disruptive to your existing codebase. A sample integration with Unity's first-person controller asset is included as a starting point. For more complex scenarios, Interacta provides override tools. Those allow you to customize interaction points for intricate models like drawers or door handles, giving you fine-grained control without the need to modify 3D models or hierarchy trees. Discover how Interacta can benefit both you and your players by visiting casimo.dev/interacta for documentation, examples, and integration guides.